year and a half ago, I moved halfway around the world, crossed the Pacific Ocean from my hometown Madurai in South India to Seattle, a cosmopolitan city in the USA. A tiny 16-year-old girl dreaming to become a writer, open to new adventures, yet sad to leave everything familiar at home, everything except yoga. The change was not easy. I missed the reflection of the sun on women's saris, the jangling of my bracelets. I also missed the street hawkers coming to your door to sell fruits or noisy, squeaky motorbikes. I missed the walks through the streets with my friends and standing outside and talking to the neighbors for hours. The running barefoot after delicious pani puri and jalmuri vendors, my hat and feet covered with beautiful mandala henna tattoos.
Maybe I was not prepared for American culture. The days were very different. People moving quickly, everything controlled. The time ran fast at university too, and I felt like a robot in my routine. Each day, getting into the underground, I felt squashed, in the middle of a crowd with no space to breathe, to think, to close my eyes. No time to stop, no time for present moment, no time for yoga. Stop. I made the decision of waking up earlier to start yoga again every day.
Why don't you look for some yoga classes and make friends?
Said my mom in a desperate phone call. I thought it would help me.
Suddenly, I found everyday yoga. Yoga is crazy here. I was fascinated by the difference between yoga in the USA and in India. I started yoga classes, and as you can imagine, me, a black, dark-haired and brownish skinned girl, stand out in a bright white yoga class. It felt awkward. I felt many eyes fixed on me. I felt pressure and no space again. I had to change my mind and try to adapt to this new style of yoga. So I decided to buy a pair of typical leggings sold here especially for yoga, and modern tops which will show the belly button.
I was also surprised about the fact that a lot of people from my university practice it too. My classmate Anna told me she had started chocolate yoga, rock and roll yoga, and on Monday she was starting love yoga. Love yoga? What is that?
It's a kind of yoga class where we also talk about feelings.
Yoga is not playing, nor eating chocolate or talking about relationships. Yoga is talking to your inside, honest and seriously. Yoga is individual, it's a spiritual growth. You cannot talk to the teacher like a friend. He is your master, and you have to respect and honor him.
Don't get angry to American people, Nishi. Maybe here yoga is done different. Maybe you don't use yoga individually because we like doing it in groups. Maybe we have to add funny names because we don't understand spiritual yoga or aren't attracted by simple yoga. At India is different because people are different, but here we try to adapt it as well as we can.
Do you mean it helps you to feel better if you do that type of yoga?
Yes, Nishi, each person decides. How to use yoga in their life. You have shown me that.
I think you are right, Anna. I cannot be mad at you or get upset because you don't do traditional yoga. Once a teacher I had told me, there are as many kinds of yoga as different kinds of people. I believe this is what he meant. Anna hugged me and whispered some words which I will never forget.
Yoga is India's gift to the world.
Yoga became my best friend all over again and kept me sane and happy. It made me feel like I was home, back at Madurai. I was back to that easygoing mentality. I started meeting more classmates, not feeling left out. Anna and I kept going together to our practice, and I even taught her my personal yoga.
Look at the stars, look how they shine for you.
I looked at my reflection on the mirror each morning. My eyes had their dark shine back, big, open, Long eyelashes stare back gratefully. Yoga, my daily medicine, just as our Prime Minister says.
And it was all yellow.